We at Bright SchoolKitz want the process of ordering supply kits to be a breeze for the parents. To order a supply kit, please go to SchoolKitz, KITZ.com. You will then see a blue bar. Click Search for your school, and then please put in the school name, city, or zip code. You will then click Select. Now you will see a list of grades. Click the appropriate grade for your child's upcoming school year. You will see important information on the next page, like the order deadline, instructions from your teacher, and the contents inside of the kit. Type in your child's first and last name and add the kit to the cart. You will then be prompted to the next page that offers many optional add-on items, such as water bottles, bento boxes, backpacks, and more. Our favorite feature is our donation feature, in which you can donate toward children that can't afford supplies. Bright SchoolKitz will provide a 20% match for each donation. When you're ready, you can click Check Out. You will then have to either create an account or check out as a guest. You will be asked for your billing information, your shipping information, and then you will get brought to the next page in which you can make your payment. Click Make Payment, and then you will be able to enter your credit card information. Once that's complete, you will click Pay Now, and you'll be all set. It's easy as that. Pay now and done. You've made your Bright SchoolKitz order and saved the time and hassle of shopping in the stores. We hope this video was helpful, but if you have any questions, please give us a call at 844-YES-KITZ, KITZ, or info@SchoolKitz.com. Thank you.